about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT. Over the years, we're probably more familiar with the Hailu and Sishen dialects of the Hakka culture, but there's also the Zaoan dialect. And today we're going to head to Yunlin Lunbei, where the nearest train station is Douliu, and there's a museum here that touches on this subject. 平常我们在介绍客家文化，常常会提到四线海陆腔，但还有一个是造安腔哦。所以今天我们来到云林的伦贝，刚好可以来拜访一个造安客家文化馆。Hello, Leo.
嗨，
今天来到这个云林的伦贝啊，就是要来好好的这个吸收一下当地这个造安的文化跟语言、
那就一定要来去造安客家文化馆走一走啦。
这一次就一目了然了，对不
对？对啊，而且造安客家文化馆它有个建筑的特色就是它有一个 L 型的木造的廊道，而且它有一个内圆外方的一个造型哦。
哇哦，所以这建筑物还蛮有这个层次感跟特色在里面了。
对呀。
那我觉得除了了解了造安文化之外总要学习一下造安腔吧，对不对？
要听造安客家话是不是？那我们就一定不能错过那个农历10月的时候的平安祭。它这个祭典里头有一个将军开道，就是妈祖绕境的时候的一个仪式。它的开道词就是用造安客家话发音的
所以它是一个仪式，太好了，就可以听到原汁原味的感觉了。
没错，
这就是我要的，10月份再来参加就对了
是啊。
好，那我们这一趟伦贝之旅呢，就好好的来了解造安文化的点点滴滴了哈。
There's a little-known subset of the Hakka people called the Zhaoan, and Yunling's Lunbei Township is one of the last strongholds of their culture, which can be explored at the Zhaoan Cultural Center. The area also helps preserve the Zhaoan dialect of the Hakka language through a gate-opening ritual, which can be witnessed at the 200-year-old Fengtian Temple. And for the art lovers, this beautiful temple also boasts the work of expert craftsmen who covered the structure in masterful mosaics and carvings. Your camera will just eat it up.
那 Leo 既然讲到造安，我们就顺便教大家怎么说造安腔好了，好不好？
造安腔，
造安腔，腔就是一个腔调嘛，
腔调的腔。
腔 that's a dialect， 造安。All right， 那我们去参观的文化馆怎么说呢？
文化馆。
文化馆 ，OK， 就是 museum 文化馆。All right, we learn more about the Zaoan culture, and that is for today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.